How to block Barclays debit card. If you wish to block debit card on Barclays, you could use the Barclays Mobile Banking app, or you could also simply open your browser and go to barclays.co.uk. Tap the login button from the top right hand side and log in to your mobile banking or online banking first using your membership number, card number, sort code or account number. Once you're logged in, if you're on mobile app, go to the card section and select report damaged, lost or stolen card. Then follow the prompts to block the card and order a replacement. If you're using online banking after you log in, go to the Manage Accounts in the top menu, then find Card Services and select Report Damaged, Lost or Stolen Card. Alternatively, you can simply call the customer support to block your card for any extra issues that you might be facing. This way you will be able to block your Barclays debit card. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.